Afternoon students, actually welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video I'll teach you guys on how to create a textile brand flyer. So we are going to use inspiration gotten from Pinterest. Then we can create the flyer, because as a beginner to graphic design you need to look for inspiration sometimes before you can create a designs. So in this tutorial video I will be using this inspiration here. I'll be using this one for our design. So all you have to do now is to save this download to my phone gallery so that we can start the design. Or there are other samples we can try. You can see there are so many samples, but nevertheless we are not going to use any of this. We are using the one we pick. So just go to your Canva app, launch your Canva app, launch your Canva app and wait a little bit. Okay, you can see it has opened. So you click on this plus icon to import the design idea you want to use so that you can get the exactly shape of the design. So here is the sample. We are using this sample for our design, so I'll just pick it using a new design. So by picking this, I'll get the exactly shape used in this design so that I can design it very perfectly. So you can see here we have it. So the next thing we are going to do here is take this to one side so that you can start your own design. We are going to shift this one to one sided. So we click on element to import the background we want to use. The background is going to be white background. Okay, you can see there are so many white backgrounds here which you can use. Just select the perfect one you feel like using, then you use it as your background image to start your design. So I'll be picking this one as the background. So I'll apply it to the background. You can see set as background. So now I have this as my background color. So what next again I have to do? You can see here I have to import the logo of the brand I'm designing for. So I'll be importing the logo of the brand from my gallery. Already I have the logo in my gallery, so I'll just pick it up and use it. So here's the logo. I'll click on import, then I will remove the background using BG remover. We have this BG remover, we use it to remove the background. Just wait for the background to be removed. After you have removed background, then you can place everything together. So you can see I'll just place this to the top. Okay, here's the logo of the brand. I'll place it to top. I have this now. The logo is already placed. So the next thing I'm going to do is to write the name of the brand. The name of the brand is going to be Ambassadors Textile. Okay, so click on text icon to write the name of the brand. Let's use Ambassadors. You have this Ambassadors. So you have to resize and pick it down, then keep it. Okay, take it down like this. I have this now. So I'll change the color and the font in there. I'll change the color here. You have colors. You can select the way you want the text to be, and also the color you want to use for the design. You can select anyone. So I'm using this one. Then I'll be using the colors we use in the logo, that is the brand logo. I'll be using the colors there. So the colors there in the brand logo are blue and yellow, I guessed. So I'll be using this. You can see I have this color here. I'll use this one. So having this been set ready, so I will write the sub heading of the text, which is textile Nigeria Limited. So you can see now I have this textile Nigeria Limited. So the next thing again is to also apply the color to the textile so that it will look matured and the way you want it. So you can see, let me edit down. So you can apply the color here. We're having yellow color there. Then you pick from your color picker, because all the colors you are going to use are already there. So you can see I'm picking this from my color picker here. So I pick the color Ambassadors Textile Nigeria Limited. So what next again? Based on this design here, we are going to import a logo mockup and the designs we are going to use, like what we are going to place there. So let's start with the mockup there. We have, okay, let's say phone. Let me use phone so that I will import the phone there to use. Let me use mobile phone icon. So you can see there are so many icons here, but the ones I want to use is only the white one, the one that is empty. So I will just pick this one because I'm not using it for mockup. Just want to place it there, let it be at the center. So you can see I'll just find a place and shift it so that I will place it. You can see I have something like this. Okay, so let me just take it down. I have this down here. Then the next thing, I will start importing the like what services the brand is giving, what they are selling in the brand. I have to pick them one by one so that I will set everything to be at the middle and it will be perfect. So the next thing we are going to do now is to pick on shape. Okay, let me see shapes. We click on shapes, but this time around we are not going to use only shape like this. We are using a frame. We are going to use a frame shape. So you can see here is a frame shape so that you can fix all the pictures of the brand in that shape, in that shape here. So you can see we have something like this. So I will have one at the center because I want one to be at the center of this mobile mockup. So you can see I have this now, is at the center of this mobile mockup. So I will now put the set everything, let it be in ruler. It has to be ruled. You can see I'm having rulers by setting them, so it has to be ruled. Okay, I'm now setting them one by one. Then I can have something like this, has to be also ruled, and maybe another one at this end here. So I think we are okay like this. So the next thing is start to import the images to be there. So you can see here are the images of the brand we are going to use. So we start picking them one by one and placing them in the right place. So you can see, because this is a mock-up, so you have to fix it to the background. I fix one there, then the other one again I'm going to pick another one, then I will fix it also there so that it will be very arranged. Okay, let me have something like this here. Okay, it's not entering. You have to make sure it enters the frame, because if it is not arranged in the frame, it will look rough. So I have this one now, it's in the frame, so I have to pick another one again to put in the frame. I'll pick this one to put in the frame. So you can see, yeah, okay, you can crop this one if you wish. Just let us crop this so that it will be well matured. So I'll just pick and arrange this to a position. Okay, let's crop so that we can fix it very well. Okay, I have this. Okay, this one is being arranged, is well arranged there. So the next thing is going to be another pick, another color. I have this one. I will pick this one. So you can see I'll just pick this one and fix it in the background of what I want to use. So I'll have this one now. This one is being arranged. So in the other one I'll just pick another design to put. I'll just pick this one, then I will just pick this and put it in the shape so that you can see it. So now I have arranged everything together. It's just to apply style so that it will just show up a little bit. Then we can apply color to it. Here is the color. So we have this. Then we can have the color. Okay, you can see I'm applying the colors to the shape now so that it will show up a little bit. We're having this, then the color, here's the color. So I'm having another one again, then the color. I apply the color. Okay, then this last one again I also apply and also apply the color to it. So By doing this, I think we are progressing. We have made a step toward the journey. So you can see we are almost getting to where we want to. So what next again here is to bring the shape whereby we put all our services of what we are selling in our brand. But before then, you can see that we have a color applied down here that is a little bit showing up with the background. So you have to fix that color also so that it will look matured. So what we are going to do now is to import a shape again we are going to use for that color so that that color will be appeared there. So you can see we have this shape here. You can do this shape down here. Okay, we have this what we call position. You can take it to back. You can see, so this shape is at back of this image now. You can see, so you can just take it like this. You can see, but it's still showing it, so you just take it to back so that all these ones will show up small. So I have this, let me keep this at top because we are using this idea. So let's have this idea to be at the front. So now I have this color. So what next again, I'm going to apply a little bit of transparency. So okay, I think this transparency is not that okay. We can use another shape. Okay, I guess let us pick another shape, I think, or we can just search for dark blue background. Let's say dark blue background so that at least we have what we need. We don't need to have it. Okay, here I'm not having. Okay, let me check on photos. Maybe I will get the one I need. Depends on how it looks like, because we don't want to use something that okay, maybe at the end we'll not be getting what we want. uh okay, I think I'll go with this. I have something like this. So let's try the transparency and see if this one will be okay. Okay, I think I'll just go with this. I'll just go with this. I think it's not necessary for it to be exactly as the other one, because we are not okay maybe duplicating the design or something like that. We are just using the idea. So by using the idea, there is no need of making everything to be exactly as the other one. So here I'll just use this idea here and I will create my own design perfectly. So you can see I have this now. So this one, okay, let me bring this one to front so that it will not be as if it's placed on the background. Okay, okay, I have this, but still the background is still showing up under it. So I have to find a way to make it not to affect it. How do we do that? I'll show you guys on how to do that. It's very easy. It's not that big deal. Just find the shape and place it at the back so that to just be fixed to that image there. So how do you do that? Okay, let me just do something like this very shortly so that we can place at the back of this, so that it just be like a white background there at the back. So it's now placed as the back. Then you can just apply your color white without transparency. Okay, oh, I think it's over back, is back. Okay, backward. Okay, I think something like this, something like this is what I need. So you have something like this, you just use the white color and place it. I guess I'm not changing the color yet, but I really want to change this color. So I have something like this. You have to make it to be exactly shape as the icon there, so that it will not be like I include another shape. Okay, we have this. I think we are okay like this. We are okay by this. Okay, just okay, let me shape it well so that it will not have a problem in the design. Just shape it well. Okay, I think I'm good with this. Let's just go by this. We use this one. This one will be okay for us doing. Okay, then the next thing we are going to pick now is the shape we are going to use for this. Okay, let me just use this shape. I think it's the best way. We are mistaking something. This is okay. I'm coming. You have to pick another shape. You have this shape too. So I'll be placing this one here and applying the band color to this so that I'll have what I want. Okay, have this something like this. Then okay, maybe the band color, having the band color at the top. Get something, we are getting something like that. But this color combination is looking lovely.